This photo was taken shortly after surgery. As you can see, I'm pretty swollen, I'm in a bit of pain, but I was trying to tell my sister I'm about to make a name for myself because I thought I looked like Gambit. She could not understand me, which makes sense because my mouth was bandaged shut and was still very, very swollen at this point. Um, all I had wanted to do at this stage was sleep to kind of avoid the pain. And after I was coming back from the restroom with assistance, I threw up blood all over the floor because unfortunately did not make it back in time. Apparently that's normal because you swallow a lot of blood during surgery and anesthesia makes you really nauseous. But regardless, my apologies to the environmental services people because that was pretty rank. This photo was taken about 24 hours after surgery. Sorry, I'm trying not to laugh. I look like a cross between like a Goomba and a Rankin Bass version of the Hobbit. But at this point, I was able to drink water and broth, and I could not leave the hospital until I was able to swallow a pill, like solid pills. They just do that, I guess, to make sure you can manage your pain once you leave. Um, but at this point, I was doing a lot better. Hydration made me feel better. So if you're at this stage, definitely stay hydrated. It'll help a lot with energy levels. One of the nurses was kind enough and resourceful enough to tie two ice packs together and make like a face ice pack. Definitely icing within the first 48 hours helps a lot with the swelling and with the pain. So I would recommend, at least for the first 2 days, ice for sure. The jaw surgery axolotl says, brace yourself for the incoming video diaries.
Today is day 2. They let me come home from the hospital, and I'm wearing my little Halloween towel to catch any drool or wipe up my stuff. I'm glad I'm home because I made pain management a little easier, but at home you can just take your medicine at a scheduled time. So I'm not doing too bad. I can't breathe through this nostril because of all the blood. But this nostril's good to go. It's better than my 2 old, tiny, useless nostrils combined. So that's nice. I'm gonna stop talking now because it kind of hurts. I'll keep you updated. It's day 3, and this is the worst I've felt so far. As you can see, my face is super swollen. A lot of drainage, a lot of sinus blockage happening. But I don't have any bruises on my neck yet or anything like that. But I'm just really swollen and really stuffed up. Try to use a humidifier and it works a little bit, but there's just so much goo and blood. Sorry, TMI. Just gotta keep going. So for breakfast, I have my sweet liquid, which is my smoothie, my savory liquid, which is my miso broth, and my neutral liquid, which is just water. It's been a lot easier to motivate myself to eat, drink, and food that way, because I really love eating. Like before I broke my jaw, I love to eat. So I gotta have some variety in there, spice it up. So here we go. It's day 5. I'm looking very Shrekish. I'm gonna go walk my dog. We're doing our best. Still very swollen, but at least I'm okay to walk around and stuff. Yeah, we're going. We're gonna go right now. Good stretch. It's midnight, day 6. I'm freaking struggling. I'm struggling. I can do it. I'll check those tomorrow with follow-up, whatever. I'm freaking struggling. I am struggling. Struggling. I am struggling. My face is gonna explode. Day 10. The improvements are a lot smaller at this point. Way less swelling. Still look a little bit weird, but that's okay. I can open my mouth a bit wider. Look at that. And of course, we're going for walkies. It is day 11, and I finally got my head. Sorry, that hurts for some reason right there. I finally got my head through a normal shirt. Look at me. The swelling has gone down a lot. The uncomfortableness hasn't stopped because this whole half of my face burns and still feels very swollen. Doing a lot better energy wise. Going to walk the dog again. I was able to do a lot of chores and stuff. We'll see. I definitely don't sound like myself. I wonder if that's because of the change in my mouth, or if that's just because my lips and cheeks and tongue are all torn up right now, so I'm talking kind of differently to make it feel comfortable. We'll see. I'll let you know, and I'll also let you know if this is something that I would do over again if I had a time machine.